Hello guys, my name is Shams, and in this video, I will be taking you through the Unlimited UGC workflow, which I just created in Freepik. So what this workflow does for you, it allows you to create unlimited images and videos if you want, for your brand, for your influencer, or even for your business. So what will we be going through in this video? We will be going through the step-by-step process, which will be a guide on how you can actually go through everything without making mistakes and to ensure character consistency in order to be able to boost your business. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So as you can see here, we have two workflows. We have the first one, which is what we're seeing on the screen at the moment. This is just a basic one where you bring in your influencer, or let's say you already have, you want to use your own picture and you can just bring it in straight up into this place. So you can bring in your influencer. The first step is to upload the picture, where you can, replace the picture here, upload the picture. There's a good few scene bank that we already have here, where you can edit it based on what the text that you want. You can edit it based on the text you want. So as you can see here, we have the taxi, backseat selfie, seatbelt visible, seat blur outside. So what I can do, I can just edit any one of this that I want to, and I can just say full body mirror selfie, clean one, phone covering some part of the face. Okay, and now we'll just save that. So you can edit any of this. It's easy to edit. So this is assistant that turns these scenes into proper prompts. Okay, this is a prompt builder. So this, once we run everything from the start, this goes into here and gives us all the images that we want into this place. So now what I'm going to do, since this is already created, I'm going to replace. So first up, before I replace, I'm going to show you the images that we have here. This is the list of images that we have here. We have these images from the gym and coffee shop and stuff like that. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to replace this model. Let's replace this model with our new model. So now that we have a different model, so the images that we want, this is like actually on a 16:9, but that's no problem. Our images are automatically gonna be 916. So yeah, from the start, we just have to come here and we run this. So we run everything from here and then we'll click on run. So this will start the whole workflow from the start using this model that we have created, using her here. So also what this does is this gives you the, at the end, you can select whichever image you want to come out and you can link it to the video generator. So once this is done, we're going to come back to the video generator part of this video. So now we're going to go to the second part of the workflow. Say for example, you do not have your model ready and you just want to start creating her from scratch and you have an idea of what the model should look like. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go through this together. So first we have the gender. We're gonna go female. Skin tone, we might want to go, let's say, light brown. So the one we have earlier is a short curly afro here. Let's go for long and black curly here. Natural texture. Okay, the age range, we can go 20 to 25. So the vibe I want for this model would be something that would be suitable for a streetwear brand. Say if you own a streetwear brand and you want your model to be able to create content, I want it to be more defined. So we already have the vibe, streetwear, candid, Gen Z, natural. So the healthy hair will be oversized, black or gray hoodie, say baggy gray pants, gray cargos. I'll go for cargos, and clean earphone sneakers. Yeah, let's just leave it at that. Yes. And we want the outfit to have no logos. Actually, that would, just for this example, to make it clean and to avoid warping. So we're gonna put no logos. And the setting, normal city street, daytime, iPhone front camera selfie, arm's length, slightly wide angle. I think that's okay. So to generate the model that we want, we already have the characteristics here. So this will go through this LLM block that will turn it into like an image, and it's going to give us 4 images. So we're just going to change this to 2K. This will give us 4 images, and let's just do this. So this is generating. And once that is done, we're going to pick our best image that we actually like and put it into here, and then that's how we go straight into the full UGC workflow. So now we're going to go back into this and see what we have created. So this is still running at the moment. So let's see how fast this goes. So this is still running as well. So basically this workflow, you can use it if you have a clothing brand, if you have let's say you're just starting an influencer page, or maybe it could be any brand, it could actually be your own self, your own image, but make sure you have a very clean image. And also my advice, if you're creating an influencer, the best thing now is you don't want this plastic skin wrap where people can see that it's real and it's not just any random AI. You see a lot of AI images, and when you see it, you know that okay, this is AI. But if you look at the kind of model that we have here, you can see there's a lot of there's a bit of redness on the cheek, there's a bit of sweat, and we want it to be realistic. So we'll just wait for this to finish. So it's currently generating the images. So let's see what we have here. So what we have here now, we have this lady, and I'm sure we have 4 other ones. So we'll just go through the images that we have here, and we'll select the one that we actually like. So as you can see, we have this, and for the kind of web that we're going for, I will go with this. So we have the gray cargos that we have instructed and the white AF front sneakers. So what we're going to do is we can copy and paste, or maybe just come here and replace the image. Just come and replace the image with okay, this is already finished. We'll come here and we'll replace the image with the image that we actually want to use. And now we'll come back to the same bank, so we can change the scene, wherever scene we want to change. So we have the stairwell selfie. So this is more like a clothing brand kind of thing. So we're gonna change it to a few different scenes. So the first one I would try to change is with a nice style selfie under the street light, slight a bit of grain, and a candid vibe. So that's that one. So we might want to change the gym mirror selfie. So sitting on steps, full body shot, shoes visible with a relaxed pose. So what we're gonna do is some of this we're gonna change them to full body shot, street crosswalk, full body shot. For the sake of this video, we will just stick with that, and then we will just run this and see what it gives us with this model space that we have. So one from here, and that would run the whole workflow from there up to the end. So now what we had generating at the start, so we're back here now. So now this is the model that we imputed, the model that we used, and this is what we have we have received. This is the model. I'm sure you can see the consistency with the silk scarf as well, in different environment. You can see it's like a stairwell, it's like a gym, the room, a clean room selfie as well. So that's that. And then now what we can do is we have the video generator here. What we can do is we can pick one of these images that we have here. So this is it. This is the gym mirror selfie. So what I'll do is I'll bring this, I'll just delete this, and then just link this to the video generator. And then for this, we're going to pick in Kling 2.6. I find that Kling 2.6 lip sync works well. I don't know why I prefer it to View 3.1. View 3.1 still sounds robotic in my opinion. So I'm very good with Kling 2.6. So the model says I just finished my workout. And I'm not even real. So that's that. We have this, we have the, now we go, leave it at 5 seconds. That's a bit better. And we generate that. So that while this is generating, we go back to what we had running before to see if we have some images ready. So this is still running. But what you can see here is the consistency in the image. You're going to see a lot of consistency in the looks of the model. Okay, so if you want access to these workflow, I will drop the link in the description. So yeah, that's it for today's video. And if you really enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and click on the link so you can have access to this workflow as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And for the next video, we will be doing a full AI fashion campaign from scratch, from creating your own model to dressing them up and to giving them different styles and different poses, which will be very, very easy for you. And of course, you will be getting the workflow for free.
I just finished my workout and I'm not even real. Do not forget to like and subscribe